We also briefly discussed the issue of various statements that are made. Some of you were asking me as I was climbing the stairs of the office. You wanted an answer even before our discussion, which is okay because your enthusiasm is respected by me. So I thought I'll answer that also. I respect your enthusiasm even at the cost of some pushing that you do sometimes, because we are friends after all, and you have that right to do it with me at least. So we also discussed the issue of various statements that were made by some of our ministers and MLAs, and I have told PCC President, anybody falling out of party line, we have warned, and I again warn very clearly and categorically, no minister, no MLA, no party leader should be violating the party discipline. Anybody who does so is doing a huge disservice to the party. And anybody who does not fall in line, then the party would have to think of taking appropriate action. We want that the entire state cadre, be it a block congress president, district congress president, frontal organization, MLA, for MLA candidates who could not make it, ministers or other functionaries in the government who belong to the party, must always look at adhering to party's discipline and ensure that the party's agenda is implemented. So I have conveyed that to party president in no uncertain terms, and if necessary, then we will have to crack the whip. I hope it will never come to that, for we are one large family, and any difference of opinion that anybody has, they are welcome to come to me and express any opinion they have inside the party forum. They are welcome to go to the General Secretary organization and convey their opinion. They are welcome to meet Congress President who happens to belong to the state or the Chief Minister and convey their opinion. But we will accept no public statements on that account. So these were the broad discussions which I pointed out to you. You are welcome to ask any questions. First I will request PCC President if he wants to add something.
No, nothing.
Okay. Any questions?
Sir, party MLA said openly, after 2.5 years, it will be reshuffling the government, cabinet reshuffling. Is it true, sir?
No party MLA is authorized.
You have said 2 MLAs. Is it right or not?
Since I was answering your question, no party MLAs is authorized to say any such thing. What the party will do is within the party forum. There is a government in place and we are running that government efficiently. The MLA should be looking at development of their constituency. The MLA should be looking at any policy measures that need to be taken by the government so as to serve the people of Karnataka better. That is their job. And I have advised them, and I am again advising them, that they should restrict themselves to looking at the agenda of progress and development that Congress party is setting out to do within their assembly, within their district, and if they want a policy to be tweaked or changed or altered which can better help us administrate the state, they are welcome to come and tell us. Thank you.
Sir, it's a MLA aspiration or the party decision, sir?
Aspiration is always good. I have always said that. And it is our duty to ensure that everybody's aspirations are addressed and they get a role to play in the progress of the state. And we shall continue to make that effort.
Sir, some of them, ministers also making a statement. 2.5 years later, same will be changed.
They are completely out of line. And I have warned such ministers not to advise. Please, is this not a press conference for one friend alone? I have to answer other questions also. I have warned all the ministers, this is not their duty or job. So they should actually work on their ministry, their portfolios, their constituencies, the district of which they are in charge ministers for, and that's their job that they should be doing.
So what about the board and chairman?
Yes, I mentioned that to you. Let me reiterate. One of the agendas we discussed after the parliament election strategy and the possible candidate selection process was the formation of boards and corporation. As I said, a fairly detailed discussion took place today, and the discussion will continue. I will be back immediately after Madhya Pradesh election is over. Thank you. Yes. Yes, why will we not consider that? We will consider it.
So the PCC president had made a comments several times that they would bring new, they would do rejig in the party, like appointing.
Absolutely. Yes, I'm sorry. We discussed with PCC president a reorganization of the Pradesh Congress Committee also. And sir, one second. You should respect your friend. He is asking a question. If you don't respect each other, then who will? So, yes, it was discussed. The issue of reorganization of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee was deliberated, both with PCC President and Chief Minister and General Secretary organization. We are going to very soon carry a proposal to Honorable Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, discuss the proposal with him, and we propose to rejig the cadre, since many of our office bearers are today MLAs or ministers, and we believe that they should be relieved of the organizational responsibility, and new younger talent who will tomorrow again be MLA MPs in the future, they should be given organizational responsibilities so that there is proper work allocation and distribution.
What is the timeline for this?
BJP again and again tweeting that there is no understanding between the CM and DCM, and the state government is showing its hands towards the central government.
Yes, I heard it from the leader of opposition in Karnataka, whom they have appointed 6 months ago. Thank you.
Sir, in your press conference, you have mentioned that leaders should fall in line. Within 4 months, there are more than 10 leaders who have spoken against the government. Will there be any kind of disciplinary action which will be taken by?
As I said, my friend, this is a repeat question, but let me give you a repeat answer. I have told all the leaders, you have an opinion, we are a democratic party. Feel free to express it to PCC President, Chief Minister. You are not satisfied, feel free to express it to me. Feel free to express. Either you should respect your own question, no? You don't even hear an answer to your own question. What is the use then? I said feel free to speak to PCC President, your Chief Minister, if you have an opinion to express. You have an opinion to express about the functioning of the government. I am very much available. Feel free to express it to me. You want to express it to Kharge Sahab or General Secretary organization. But all opinions have to be expressed about party functioning or government functioning inside the party forum. Thank you.
ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಕನ್ನಡ ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶ ವಿದೇಶದ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸುದ್ದಿ ವಿವರವನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಬೆರಳುಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಪಡೆಯೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ QR ಕೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.